Yeah, thank you, we're going to Sundowns in Cape Town City. There's what you call serious foul play. Serious foul play is a tackle that endangers the safety of an opponent. This player got a second yellow card and a red card. But if you look at it here, if you look at the tackle itself, this second yellow card and then a red card. But the tackle itself, if you can look at it, you'll see that he's endangering the safety of an opponent. So he should have received a straight red, not second. This was the first yellow card, and then he comes with starts. So this is serious foul play, endangering the safety of an opponent. The player should have received a straight red. Let's go to the next one. We're going to Makgopa, evidence. We have evidence of what you did when you played against a TS Galaxy. That's what we call striking an opponent. Striking an opponent using excessive force or careless. A player should be get a yellow card for. This is what we call excessive force.
No one jumps with their hands down.
Referees are not psychologists. What we see here is a closed fist and an elbow. So this is striking an opponent using excessive force. The player should have been sent off for this. Because closed fist and then this. Whether you are jumping, we are not psychologists. What do we see is striking an opponent using an elbow. So Makgopa should have been sent off straight red. He survived. Right, and nothing. He got nothing. Let's go to the next one. Still on the Pirates match and TS Galaxy, you will see that there's what we call Sibelebele Kamogelo. He received a yellow card earlier on for another foul. But here, the referee usually saw what you call simulation, pretending to have been injured, deceiving the referee. Was he deceived there? Who kicked who? You can see that Sibelebele is the one who kicked or was touching CBC there. Now he fall, and then the referee correctly positioned. He gave a second yellow card and a red card. Let's go to the next one. Are we going to Chief Sundowns? There's a penalty given. Some say, was it a foul or not? Let's go to it and see. If you are behind, my friend, if you are behind Blom, whatever you do, it's an infringement of the laws of the game. You can see that he started with the knee, and he also got him on the ground there. So here, correct decision by Luxolo, but look at the touching there, on the ground there. So correct decision by Luxolo for giving a penalty. Let's go to the next one. Shalulile scored a goal. Now, people are saying he offside or he offside, but let's go and see. The law says a player cannot be offside if he's behind the ball or there's an opponent close by. So now, if you look at it here, you will see that Shalulile is behind the ball. He's behind the ball. So
he's in an offside position.
Come again?
He's in an offside position, but he's behind the ball.
He's not even in an offside position when you are behind the ball.
Okay.
Yeah, Ben. So now, correct decision by Uzakele Swela not to flag because the player's behind the ball. It complies with the laws of the game. Right. Let's go to the last one, where we see a second yellow given to Miguel. Right. Now, this is the first yellow. Let's go to the first yellow and see. This is where he tripped or he do what we call a spar, stopping a promising attack to Lucas Ribeiro. So he got a yellow card. Now, the second one, was it necessary, dog, for him to commit this offense? Because I see there's a cover. But Luxolo Badi, they're being on top form for this match. Here there's holding an offense by Miguel on Shalulile there, but Dotli is covering. I don't know why he took one for the team. To me, I think it was unnecessary. But then Luxolo Badi, correctly positioned, issued a second yellow and a red card. Correct decision by Luxolo Badi. Silo Saku Saseka. Wenze nubadi, wenze nubadi, wenze nubadi, wenze nubadi, wenze nubadi.